Welcome you all back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today is another recipe that I'm going to share with you. We are going to prepare Acheke using Gari. Before we start, let's prepare the green sauce, and these are the vegetables that I'm using for my green sauce. You can use any fish type that you want, so let's blend the green vegetables. I just added some seasoned cube oil and then onion seed. Let's go blend this. I'm done blending this. I'm going to rub some of the green on the fish. Yes, I'm going to air fry this fish in the air fryer. You can do this in the oven or you can fry. Let's go fry this in the air fryer. While it's inside, let's prepare the green sauce. For this, we are not going to add anything. We have the oil, the salt that we needed is in. So let's be on the fire to get rid of the water that is in. And I added some shrimp, which, yeah, my camera was not recording. Yeah, just for flavor. Just added a shrimp, and yes, it tastes good when you add the shrimp. It's done. Yeah, you don't need to taste this to know that it's gonna be sweet. It was really sweet. So to prepare the Acheke, we need some Gari. Yes, I'm using Gari. You can grate your own cassava at home and then get rid of the water. Ferment it for 3 days and you can do this. But today we are using Gari. Sprinkle some water on your Gari and then it's ready for you to steam your Gari. So to steam the Acheke, I have my water on fire. Then I'm going to use the strainer. Then I'll lay a cheesecloth to do this. And then you put in your Gari. See how easy to do this? And no, I just let it be on fire and the heat, and let it heat and we do a job. Keep on watching. Then you stir to let the heat, transfer even for you. So when it's done, you're gonna know, yeah, gonna change in color. So it's ready, and I'm going to transfer this in a bowl to mix everything well. I have some chopped vegetables that I'm going to enjoy along with our Acheke. I added some black pepper, oil, and then salt to taste. And then it's ready for us to serve this Acheke. The Acheke is ready to serve out. Thank you all for watching today's recipe, and you are all invited. Don't forget to like this video. This helped me to build this channel. God bless you all for watching. Comment down below and then subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Welcome you all to Home Sweet Food channel. Stay blessed till we meet in another video.